Facts about birds. Did you know there are over 10,000 bird species worldwide? Each boasting unique features and fascinating behaviors. Birds are the only animals with feathers, nature's most colorful gift. They're not just for show, but also for flight and insulation. Speaking of flight, the peregrine falcon is the fastest, reaching speeds over 240 miles per hour. Talk about a speed demon. Ever heard a songbird? Their melodies are actually complex communications, sung to attract mates and defend territory. Finally, let's not forget birds are descendants of dinosaurs. Yes, your backyard birdie is a mini T-Rex. Quite an interesting creature, isn't it? Thanks for watching. See you next time.